On the bonus action step is where you're going to create all of those extra actions that someone can take to collect points. So this is an extremely important step because it's going to add a huge amount of value to your rewards program. So as you can see in here, one, you can really build your social following by getting people to opt in and follow you on social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You can really incentivize any follow in your program and reward them the points. The other thing that we really encourage people to do is, leaving product reviews, leaving page reviews, customer support reviews, that sort of thing. Sharing your content. So a really powerful way of getting your brand out there is incentivizing people in your program to share all of your content. So once someone shares your content, they'll then get rewarded. So content can be they share a blog post, Facebook post, they retweet something on Twitter. Another few things is, one, you can also collect a lot of user feedback here. So you can ask a purchase question or a branding marketing question. So for example, how do you find out about us? And obviously you can tailor these to anything that's important to your business. So here you can see that this template comes with a bunch of bonus actions already preloaded. You can always archive any of these. Let's ask if I want to archive it. And then once that's archived, you can also go and retrieve those if you need. So you can sort of add and remove these as you like. And I'm just going to show you how to actually create a new one. So here are a bunch of pre-built templates here. You can see that you can use your rewards program to grow your Facebook group, Facebook Messenger list, follow you on Facebook, share your content, all of that fun stuff. If you have an app, you can get people to download your apps. You can get people to follow and use your Spotify playlists. So there's a bunch of already pre-built templates in here. But if there's an action that you want someone to take that isn't in any of these pre-built templates, you can also create your own. So this one could be anything from, taking an action on the website or on a social media website, something like that. So this could be, for example, leave a product review. A product review, oh my God. Product review on product 123. Okay, and this might be important to you. So remember, 100 points allow someone to redeem 10% off. So you could maybe make this 20 or something, or 10. You can describe what they need to do. So this would be, go to this product page and leave a review. You can link to that product page, and then you can also add a CTA button text here. So that would be a review. Now, this is the important part. There's a few different ways that you can verify this. So one, you can automatically award the points, or you can set it to manually get approved. So when you are manually approving a bonus action, you can choose what the message is. So you could say, your review will be validated before points are awarded. You can add this cheese and fans would be disqualified or not, up to you. Or you can just leave it to automatically award the points. And now there's two options here on how you validate these. The first one is to confirm based on a question. So if you have a question, you would just write your question here and you would choose the correct answer, whether it's an open-ended with no correct answer. It could be like, what is your username? And that obviously doesn't have a correct answer, but you could then manually validate that if you wanted to. Or you could just automatically award them. There could be a correct answer. So this case would be, how long is a video once they get them to go and watch the video. The other option is you can do multiple choice too. So you can have a multiple choice with no correct answer or multiple choice with a correct answer. So you would just choose which answer is correct there. And so that is one way. The other way that you can validate is actually using a conversion pixel. So you would save this and then you're going to get given a code which you would then go and place on your website. So that way you can actually go and validate. You would just place this code here on the page that you want them to visit in order to get the points. So those are the two ways that you can validate bonus actions. I highly suggest when you're getting started, just keeping to the automatically approve and using the questions. The pixel confirmation is a little bit more complex and more for advanced users. Now, if you do choose the manual review, you'll actually see all of the people's emails, the action they took, and the answer they gave. And if you want to approve the points, disapprove them, or even just disqualify someone on the spot, you can also select all. So we give you a lot of options on how you want to validate these bonus actions. One thing that I do encourage people to do is get people to upload videos and images to social channels and award them points for that. So one would be to upload a video review of the product they purchased to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whichever platform you want, and then you set that to a manual review. So I'm just going to show you in here, for example. So this is upload a product review video. This is an example. Upload your video review to Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, and then you would get them to upload it. And then the question is, what is the link to your video review? And you can have that open-end with no answer, because it's obviously going to be a URL. And then you could have a manual review. So they're all going to show up in that section that I just showed you, so that you could check out those videos before you award the points. So that pretty much sums up bonus actions. This is one of the most powerful features of setting up a rewards program. And so I highly suggest that you spend a bit of time coming up with some bonus actions that mean a lot to your business and are actually going to move the needle in terms of results. So a few of our favorites are sharing social content, so sharing a Facebook post, uploading user-generated content, so uploading product reviews or images of people using your product or how to use your product. Those two are definitely really great ones for getting your brand more exposure and reach. But yeah, I'll see you in the next step where we can go over exporting all of your leads.